Pigeons, how's it going? Nicholas Talks here. Today I have some paper boats that I made, and we're gonna throw them down the river. Yeah, I already threw down 3, so let it go. Okay, that wasn't perfect, but you know, nothing is. There we go, another one.
Let's try a paper airplane.
Oh yeah. We made paper airplanes, we made paper boats. It's kind of hard to open the one.
No, doesn't work.
Okay. They all fit perfectly. All right, next one. Paper airplane. This is for you guys. Whoa, that was far. I'm throwing it with my left hand, so it's horrible, but it's alright. A boat. Throw. It landed. Oh no, the ducks might eat it. No, because we have bread too. So they probably won't eat it. I hope they won't eat it. Okay. Here's another one. Trying to open it in one hand. There we go. And down you go. This is not my one. And the duck's over there. Okay. No, this is my one. Alright. I made one out of cardboard, which is right here. It's for you guys. I love when you watch my videos. And let's get started. Whoa, they landed perfectly down there. Let's throw the other one. This again for you guys. The duck's over there. Awesome. Now let's go in the bag of luck and pick out something. Alright, it's a boat. It's another boat. Oh, look at all those pigeons. And there you go. Oh, landed. Oh.
Give me some paper boats. Yeah.
We're here with Sarah.
Hey.
You want to see this? Watch. I'm going to put it down. Then I'm going to kick it in. Okay. I'm going to slap this one. Landed. Let's go on the back. We made like 20 of them. More than 20. Here's another one. Oh, it's hard to open it with one hand. So I'm going to come in. There you go, you can have a boat. Nah! That is. Go, pigeon! This is your destiny. She's playing dodgeball. Oh, I remember this one. I made a giant paper boat. Look at this. Giant, enormous. And there you go! That's for you guys too. Because I love you guys. We have one more. Which is
Nope, we have 2 more.
Oh, can I have the second last one? Here you go. Landed. Is there any more? No.
I got the last one.
The bag is empty. I'll bring the bag. Sorry. Put it on my back. Put it there. Let's keep on filming, I guess. Over there, remember we went to the library? Oh, this one stay on my back. I'll just put it on my back properly. I guess while we're here, you know, we can do a shout out, and then I'll meet you guys somewhere else, alright? So the shout out goes to Salty, Savage Keat, and Jelly Beans. You guys are awesome. They're in my school. Don't forget to like, subscribe, click the bell button so you're notified every time I make